Hi, and welcome to Winvoice Online Customer Setup. Today we'll go through the basics of setting up a customer and editing existing customers. First of all, we'll go to our customer page. It's Admin Basic Config Customers. On the customer page, you'll notice there's a lot of example doctors here and practices from our demo page. First thing we'll do at the top is we have the buttons. These buttons allow you to control individual customers down here. So if I put a check mark next to this first one, Dr. Gold, I can go over here and click. If I click on New, it won't use that checkbox. But if I click on Edit, it will edit his customer. If I click on Card, it will bring up his credit card information. Quick Edit will bring up basic information dealing with just a small amount, like say his address and his phone numbers. Copy, I can copy from one to another. Delete. He obviously deletes it. Set as inactive. Options will bring up our options screen to view inactive or deleted customers. Map will map it on a map showing you, like if you want to look at a concentration of doctors, it'll actually map everybody. View invoices, view payments, and view adjustments will show you your current invoices and adjustments and payments. View all invoices, all payments, all adjustments will show you, if you click on those buttons, will show you all of the respective buttons, invoices, payments, or adjustments that doctor has or that account has ever done. What we're going to do here next is also at the top here you have a quick name box. In this quick name box, say you type in, say, Gold, G-O-L-D, and hit enter. You'll notice it only restricts it to names having the name Gold in them. Bill to works exactly the same way. The name field goes off, or the quick name goes off this field. The bill to would go off this one, so you can see everybody billed to a particular account. And the phone number works the same way. If you search phone numbers, say if we go over here and we say type in 918 and hit enter, there's no customers with that name in it. But say 555, which I believe all of our demo accounts are set up with that, you'll see this only shows you customers with those digits in their number. So what we're going to do here is go ahead and click on New. And on the New field, you'll see it says Edit Customer, and the very first line is Name. This is the account name. It could be the doctor's name, the practice name, whatever you'd like it to be. The next field is the primary contact. That would be who you talk to there, such as the receptionist or the doctor. Price list is to allow you to set the price list of what we did earlier, which is either, we have our 4 example price list, and whenever it's set there, whenever you go to make an invoice, it will pull up those prices. Override prices to special. What that allows you to do is create a price list for 1 or 2 items and assign it here. So if we created a price list said, PFM special, and for that PFM it was $30 and you normally charge $40 on the bronze price list, whenever you select PFM special and you go to price it out on an invoice, it will give you 35 instead of 40. There'll be more about that later when we go to invoicing. You also have the invoice address. This is the address where your products would be shipped to. So they send you work and then you'd send it back to this address. Statement address is for sending out statements that you'll see by default. We expand that there and it has same as invoice address, but it can be different. It could be, let's say, a P.O. box, or if you have a group of doctors billing to one location, that could be their statement address. And then we go down to contact information, which has the phone numbers and email address. In the contact information, we actually have the ability to create these are just our 5 default ones. You can create as many as you want, as some of the examples here, such as the accounting department, additional doctors, Dr. A, B, C, D, and so on. And you can put in the value of whatever you want to type over there. You also have the ability to view that list in reporting functions. The last part of the customer setup, this is the basic customer setup. Once you have that information in there, you will not have to worry about, you can come back and do the more advanced stuff later. But some of the advanced stuff people like to know about are under extra options, which are interest. A lot of people will charge interest. Early pay discounts, a lot of people do that too, where if they pay by a certain day of the month, say in this case the 15th, it will deduct whatever percentage you put in there for the early pay discount. So if they owe you, say, $100 and you're giving them a 10% early pay discount, if they pay you $90 by the 15th of the month, it will show on their statement that they paid $90 and give the early pay discount of $10. Now below that, the third line actually has early pay minimum balance, which means if they don't have say you set a minimum balance of $1,000, if they did, say, $900, they would not benefit from the early pay discount. Bill to allows you to set up bill to one account to another account. Do not appear on create invoice. If you have, say, a doctor clinic with 5 or 6 doctors billing to this one doctor clinic, under that doctor clinic you can put that check mark in there, and that doctor clinic will not appear when you go to create invoices. This eliminates some confusion, and also, I mean, if you're never going to make an invoice for them, so why show them if you're not going to make an invoice? Territories are for billing territory, like sales territories, or you may do it by regional territories if you have different parts of maybe the city or the country that you want to specify, and you can generate reports based off the territories. The other options are for a later time, but they're more complicated, dealing with invoice types and statement types, and they're more specialized, and our support department can help you with those. That takes care of setting up a basic customer. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.